I started off this haircut by using the number 4 guard to blend up to the parietal ridge. Next, I'm going to make a 1-inch guideline with the lever fully open on the clipper. Fully close the lever and begin to blend up. Open the lever about 1/3 of the way and continue to blend up. Finally, open the lever about 3/4 of the way. Be careful not to go up too high, and now the bottom should be blended. Next, we're going to make another 1-inch guideline with the number 1 guard, and the lever is fully open. Close the lever and begin to blend at the bottom of that guideline. Next, open the lever halfway and blend in between that 1 guard closed and 1 guard open. So I feel like I've done this method for a long time. So for those of you that have been watching the channel for a long time, I'm going to begin using another method in future videos. So here I have on the half guard and the lever is halfway open, blending up under that 1 guard closed. The more advanced you get, you'll notice that sometimes you can skip this step. It really just depends on the hair texture. And the lever is fully closed, by the way. Next, we have on the number 2 guard with the lever fully open. Next, I close it and blend right up under that. So at this point, I'm going to start blending down. This is also known as stacking your guards. So all of my guards are just blending into each other. So here I have the 1.5 guard coming right up under that number 2 guard. So I'm stacking the 1.5 right up under that number 2. Close the lever and continue to go down. At this point, I'm going back with the 1 guard and cleaning up the middle of the fade just to get that gradiency that I need. And then finally, I'm taking the number 3 guard, going right up under that number 4 guard that we initially debulked with. I start with the lever open and then close it. By the way, if you're new to this channel and you're getting value out of this video, I ask that you please hit the like button as well as the subscribe button. So here for the lineup, I'm going to try to keep everything as natural as possible. And for the front lineup, I'm going to be using the clipper, not the trimmer, and I'll explain why. On thicker, straight textured hair, sometimes when you use a trimmer, the hair will tend to run away once you press on it, but the teeth on the clipper blade are more spaced out, and this allows the hair to feed into the blades for a more precise cut than a trimmer would normally give you. I apologize for the lighting creating a shadow over his lineup, but if you guys could see this in person, you would see that this is just as sharp as a trimmer. Once again, if you're getting value out of this video and you're not subscribed, please subscribe. We're on a goal to reach 200,000 subscribers as soon as possible, so I would really appreciate it, guys. And here's the final result. Use this video as a tutorial to help you if you're in barber school or if you're a self-taught barber. It doesn't matter. Just hopefully this video helps. Thanks for watching.